Hello everybody, this is Kyra with another My Porch Prints tutorial. Today we are continuing on with our Christmas daily journal, and today's page is the sounds of the season. So I'm going to be using some of our Christmas shakers that we have a video out. I'll have a link down in the description box below. And that one has like a shaking sound to it and a bell on it, so I figured it would work well with today's tutorial. So jumping right in here, we're going to grab this page from our vintage Christmas kit, pages kit, and we're going to be rounding off the corners. And then we're just going to go ahead and tape it down to the page, sort of covering up what's already there. And I picked this one specifically because it has the Jingle Bells music in the background, so I thought it worked well with this page. And then taking half of a lace doily, we're going to be gluing it down and making a little delicate pocket on the bottom half of the page. Alright, and next we're taking this piece from the Christmas Daily kit and some buttons that I have, some like old buttons, as well as some of these red Christmas journal words. And taking the words as well as the card, we're going to be using some distress ink and just going around the edges of those with this sort of red-brown distress ink color. And once that's done, I'm also taking this Christmas greetings card that came with our Christmas ephemera pack. And we're just going to go ahead and tape that down to the center of the card. Just like this. And then I'm taking a little scrap from one of the pretty papers in our traditional Christmas kit. And I'm just cutting it to fit sort of this empty slot that's up here. And then again, going in with that distress ink and distressing the edges before gluing it down. And then taking another one of those red Christmas words, going around it with the distress ink, and we're going to be gluing this at the very top where we just put that piece of paper. And then going in with the rest of our cards, I'm sort of just staggering them around the image like this, placing them wherever I feel they look best, and then filling in the other gaps with the buttons. Using just a various array of different sizes and colors, and then gluing them all down. And when that's done, I'm going to very carefully slide it into the pocket that we made. And for the other page, I'm taking one of those shakers, and again, the video is on our YouTube channel and linked down below if you want to see how to put this together. And then taking a little bit of lace ribbon, I'm just going to measure it to go across the page and cut a strip of it to use sort of behind our shaker, marking where I want it and gluing it down. And then just gluing our shaker on top of it like this. To finish up, I'm going to be taking one of these little specimen cards, and I'm just going to be going over it with a little bit more of that distress ink just around all the edges, and taking a little bit of cheesecloth as well as an ephemera piece with a bow and our number for today. I'm going to be going around the edges of those again with the distress ink. And then cutting our cheesecloth to fit inside of the specimen card, I'm going to also be adding our number for the day and our ephemera piece inside of it, back to back. And you should be able to see through it kind of like this. Adding that bow. And then I'm going to be very carefully pinching it around the page in the top corner, trying to make sure that nothing falls or moves. And then while holding it in place with my finger, I'm going to use the glue to seal the edges shut. Waiting for it to dry a little bit before doing the other side. And there you go. That is going to finish the Sounds of the Season pages for today. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!